Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can check the connection status on Canary Mail, for example, to make sure that you receive incoming emails to the connected or linked inbox here in Canary Mail. So you'll need to stay connected or to be online to do that. Let me show you how you can check the connection inside Canary Mail. Let us guide you through it. So open up Canary Mail on your device. And what you want to do, guys, first is make sure that you check that last update date here to the left. Whenever you receive a new email into your connected or linked inbox, you will see Canary Mail updating here with 3 dots and checking updates and that information. You can always perform that update by clicking into that button here. However, guys, as previously mentioned, you will need to be online for that, and you can check the connection status in your account settings. To do that, navigate to Preferences, and here inside Preferences or Account Settings, expand the Account section, select your Personal tab here to the left, and here, guys, you will see the status of the connected and enabled inbox. Of course, you will need to enable it so that Canary Mail has access to that inbox and can check for any updates or new emails, and you will see the status here, which is connected. And that's it. You will see also whenever you're offline, you will see that information here as well. So that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.